Take out the black marker and draw the juice. Draw a cup opening. Continuing to draw the body of the cup. Blue. Thickness of the cup. Drawing some ice cubes. Purple. A long straw on the right. Some stripes. Draw a big circle. Draw another circle inside. Draw the pulp inside. Complete the cup. Yellowish green. Pink. Our work is done. It's beautiful. On the left is an orange half. Painting the milk tea that settles at the bottom. Cherry. Cherry. Draw an arc. Now draw an orange in the lower right. A pole and a big leaf. Finally adding a cute emoticon. Simple pattern finished. Let's start by bolding the stroke. That's great. Let's get some color. Blue. Orange. Bright yellow. Green. Bright yellow. Green. Rose. Red. Red. Yellow. Orange. Orange. Yellow. Thank you for watching. See you next time.